Do you know that people migrate from one country to another and they have really a lot of challenge? What are the challenges do they face when they travel from one country to another in terms of language, speaking, vocabulary, grammar, and other sophistication? You can give like a personal perspective. Like I think they will feel they will lack vocabulary or something. Like what challenges do they face? You can talk about English or other languages, all personal problems, right? Yes.
So, uh, maybe they will face some vocabs. They will uh, doesn't find it exact.
They don't find.
They don't find it exact what they want to say,
Right.
and uh, sometimes they get not nervous for talking at the topic, and then yes,
Okay, what are the best way to learn new language or foreign language from your perspective?
um, for other
See, people are watching this video and this video is going to be on air, right? So what do you think that what are the most crucial way to learn a new language?
it's
Yes.
absurd from her perspective. If they want to learn anything,
Yes.
the behavioral language or it will be another thing. So the first thing that we have to concentrate on that thing, particular thing, and we have to give our total time on that thing.
Right. Concentration.
Yeah.
Okay.
And we have to practice in that thing on daily basis.
Makes sense.
And
Concentration, practice. What else?
and we have to collect information about that particular thing.
Okay.
Like if we want you to speak English, so we have to collect information. What is English? How we can.
So we need to find out which will become a genealogist, right? Like what happened in the past. From where did the word come from? Is it true?
Yes, yes, I may be.
Man, people don't know. Like nowadays, they don't seem to care about these things like genealogy or like the word origin, right? So if I ask people that okay, we have dyslexia, dysgraphia, dyscalculia. If I use this word, people say that man, what are you talking about? Who the hell are you? So we need to understand here. Instead of going to a genealogy and origin, we can say that people need to learn the basics, the foundation, the